Okay, before anything else, mag-set up na muna ako sa taas para sa makeup tutorial na to, okay?
1, 2, 3!
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Yo, what's up? It's TJ. Welcome back to another video. So for this video, it's going to be my easy glam makeup tutorial. And if you want to know how I made this look, just keep on watching. So first, I'm gonna be using primer. So for my primer, I'll be using the No Shine Mattifier Quick FX. This one, I think this is only for less than 100 pesos. And it's silicone. Yung type na is silicone. So, ayun. Sorry kung tumitingin ako dito kasi titignan ko yung sarili ko sa screen. Kasi I don't have any mirror now. Okay. Hindi ako kumuha ng mirror. Kasi tinatamad din ako tumayo. But I have mini mirror naman dito. Now I'm done putting primer. I'm gonna use lip balm muna. Kasi important yan. So I used the Avon Simple Beauty Lip Balm. It's a magic lip balm. Parang kapag naglagay kayo sa inyong something there. Kapag kasi naglagay kayo, nagkakaroon siya ng pink tint. Hindi kita sa camera, pero nagkakaroon siya ng pink tint. Kahit sa akin. Pero hindi ko siya nakikita masyado. So first thing, okay, so after I put lip balm, now let's go for my base. So what I use for my base is this BB Holy Everyday BB Cream of I Like Korea. And I'm in the shade Light. Here. Ayaw mag-focus eh. But, you can get this on Watsons. Sa lahat ng drugstore. Diyan sa tabi-tabi. Meron ganito. I think this is only for less than 200 pesos. So, if you want to try muna, I suggest bumili muna kayo yung nasa sachet kasi meron nun. It's only, I think, 25 pesos or below pa ata. So, if you want to try that, go buy and try. So, paglagyan tayo. So, what I do, just put it on my fingers and then I'll spread it on my face. Kasi ang mirror dito eh. Ay. Again. So, onti lang yung nilalagay ko kapag nag-BB cream kasi naglalagay pa ako ng concealer. This is my first makeup tutorial nga pala, no? Next, for my concealer, we'll be using the BYS concealer. This is actually my holy grail. And I'm in the shade Light. Pero medium yun nandito. But it's okay. Kasi kahit na skin tone ko siya, it's like my second skin, but better if you know what I'm saying. So what I do is to put that here. Yan. Parang meron siyang heat pa rin. Nakukuha ang heat sa aking palm. Then I'm gonna use a sponge with this. Of course, need a sponge. I think I need more concealer on this side. Nahulog yung concealer ko, okay? Got it. So I have mirror na dun sa taas so I can see myself. Gusto ko sanang gumawa ng separate video about my brows. Sige, gagawa ko. Pero you can see what I do to my brows in this video. So, what I use for baking is only just the Johnson's baby powder. Kahit saan mabibili nyo to, it's only 20 pesos and above. Or minsan yung mas maliit pa dito is lower than 20 pesos. So, you should go and try this as your setting powder. Turn on itong little container and then put powder. And I'm gonna be using my beauty blender again. For those who are if you're wondering, I don't do this makeup every day, only use this occasionally, or may pupuntahan, lakad, ganon. So, yan ang mukha ko kapag nag-bake. So, sorry, I know it's weird, but it's okay. Ayan na. So, habang hintay tayo sa aking pag-baking, let's move on to the brows. Sa lahat na nag-iintay, ito na po, okay? So, for my brows, I only use pencil. Kasi yun lang naman na meron tayo ngayon. Wala tayong pomade, okay? So, what I'm gonna use is the Nichido pencil. I'm gonna only get it. A second. So, here is it. It's the Nichido brow pencil in the shade dark brown. Kasi I don't use black. So, what I do is binabrush ko muna. Ano yun to? Careline naman ito. But I use it as my brush. Ayan. And then, saka ako mag-film. Okay. I'm gonna zoom in. Kaso pag sinom ang labo, ako na lang yung lalapit. So, what I do is start muna ako sa end. Okay. Nag-start muna ako sa end. Saka ako fill in lahat. And don't worry kung merong lagpas-lagpas kasi ko-conceal naman natin. Saka ko siya i-brush upward. Kasi gusto ko bushy look yung kalabasan niya. So, like what I said, don't worry kung merong mga excess dyan kasi i-conceal naman natin yan. Mukha na akong baliw dito sa pagbibig. Okay, sa camera, okay, tingnan no? Sorry, tumitingin ako sa mirror. Okay. And then, I'm gonna do sa other side of the brows. Ganun pa rin. And pa rin ako nagsisimula. So,
ganyan lang po ako magkilay. Now, ayan ang sasabi ko. So, let's use concealer para malinis yung paligid niya. So, yes, I'll be the realist concealer pa rin. And then, I'm gonna use my concealer brush.
saka pala na konti. And then, I'm gonna get that. And then, saka ko siya clean sa paligid. So, for my eyeshadow, I'll be using the Morphe eyeshadow palette. Yung pinakita ko sa aking Shopee haul. Dito ko siya i-review, okay? So, yan yung itsura niya. Let's open. Ay, nalag-lag yung cover. Ayan. So, for this look, I want to have natural look lang. So, I'm gonna be using the brown shades lang. Well, obviously, lahat sila brown shades. Ayan. Shade for the day. Using this darker shade. Ito. Ayan. So, of course, I'll be using a different brush. Gagamit ako ng fluffy brush para i-blend siya sa paligid. And then, I'm gonna use that on the outer crease.
Hindi ako madaling mag-eyeshadow, guys, ha. Ginagawa ko lang kung ano yung natututunan ko din sa panonood dito sa YouTube. So, ayan. Para natural lang, hindi masyadong makapal, ganun. And next, para mas ma-define yung ating dito. Magamit ako ng brown shade. I'm gonna be using
A different brush again. This brush, yung mas, ano siya, ayan, mas siksik yung bristles. I'm gonna be using this, ano ba? This na lang ito. Or this one. Itong shimmer na to. I'm gonna be putting that on the center of my eyes. Hindi pala sa center, sa talukab lang. Ayan, dyan lang. Oh my god. Sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang ganda ng ginagawa ko ngayon. Okay, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And then I'm gonna be using this black thing para lang dito sa dulo. Just a little bit. Sobrang maliit lang. Now, once I'm done with the eyeshadow, babalik ako dun sa aking brow pencil. Para sa aking magiging liner. Again, I don't use black pencil sa lahat. Kasi gusto ko lang natural lang siyang tingnan. So, I'm gonna be using So, once I'm done with the upper bases, now let's move on to the lower again. And tanggalin na natin yung ating powder sa mukha. So, I'm gonna use this powder brush ng Mary Kay. Tanggalin lang natin yung excess ng powder. Parang hindi magmukhang masyadong siopaw yung mukha natin, no? Okay, so I'm gonna curl my lashes lang. I'm not gonna be putting mascara. Kasi hindi ako nagmamaskara masyado. But what I use for my mascara minsan is the Careline Go Long.
Or the Careline No Big Mascara. And yung aking Every Banana. Or sometimes I only use Santos. Or yung clear lang. Kasi ayoko masyadong kabog tingnan. Malit lang yung lashes, okay na sa akin ngayon. Mas magandang tingnan, parang hindi siya yung buhay na buhay, gano'n. If you just can see. So, yan. It's what I do for my everything. Now, bago ko makalimutan, nakatulog.
I will use my Toast of New York by Every Belena. This is actually perfect for mascara. Kasi hindi ako nagmamaskara masyado. But what I use for my mascara minsan is the Careline Go Long.
Or the Careline No Big Mascara. And yung aking Every Banana. Or sometimes I only use Santos. Or yung clear lang. Kasi ayoko masyadong kabog tingnan. Malit lang yung lashes, okay na sa akin ngayon. Mas magandang tingnan, parang hindi siya yung buhay na buhay, gano'n. If you just can see. So, yan. It's what I do for my everything. Now, bago ko makalimutan, nakatulog.
I will use my Toast of New York by Every Belena. This is actually perfect for everyday lang.